Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some rustic farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Rustic farmhouse decor is a warm, cozy and charming interior design style that blends vintage, natural and country elements with functionality and simplicity. It draws inspiration from old rural farmhouses but adapts them for modern living using time-worn materials, earthy colors, and a mix of handcrafted and antique-style furnishings. Key features of rustic farmhouse decor: natural wooded materials, wood, reclaimed wood beams, shiplap walls, and distressed furniture. Metal is galvanized steels like bucket, light fixtures, and old iron. Stone and brick, exposed brick walls, stone fireplaces, and black stone floors. Use natural and earthy color palette, shades like cream, beige, soft white, teal, gray, and warm grays. Accents in chase green, navy blue, burnt red, or mustard yellow. Matte or chalk finishes rather than glossy ones. Use vintage and handmade furniture. Furniture look aged or repurposed, like barn church table. Use of firm tables, spindle-back chairs, hutches, and sideboards. Painted or whitewashed finishes with subtle distressing. Use cozy textiles, materials like linen, balam, green silk, wool, and cotton. Patterns: gingham, buffalo check, ticking stripe, florals, and vintage plates. Lots of layering. Throw pillows, oven rugs, and cozy blankets. Use functional accessories like mason doors, enamel ware, or baskets and wooden cradles. Chalkboards, open shelving with iron brackets and apron front silk. Items that once served a purpose on a real firm like milk jugs, butter curds. Common rustic farmhouse elements: bedroom, living room. Use slip-covered sofas, rustic coffee tables, and vintage trunks. Exposed ceiling beams, lantern-style lighting. Wall decor like oversized clocks, reclaimed signs, or botanical prints. Dining room. Large wooden farmhouse table must match chairs or benches. Use open shelves with crockery, jugs, and glass jars. Use old iron candelabras or candle-style lighting. Kitchen. Use shagger cabinets, open out shelving, and vintage-style hardware. Also use farmhouse apron front silk, marker block countertops, hanging pots or baskets, wooden cutting boards on display. Next, bedroom. Use old iron or old bed frames with vintage coils. Use distressed dressers, barn-style closet doors, soft lighting with ceramic or metal lamps. Signature decor pieces: barn doors on sliders, galvanized metal buckets for flowers, wooden ladders used as a blanket rack. Old window repurposed as wall art. Antique-style clocks or sign with typography. Use candle lanterns, ceramic pictures, and cotton stems. Modern rustic farmhouse decor updated take a sleeker version of traditional farmhouse that includes more black and white contrast, cleaner lines and less clutter, industrial lighting, and minimalist versions of vintage features. This version blends better in urban homes on their builds while still feeling warm and grounded. To decorate a rustic farmhouse space effectively, you should blend old world charm with comfortable functionality, focusing on texture, natural elements, and purposeful vintage style. Here is a complete breakdown of how to decorate each area while maintaining a cohesive rustic farmhouse look. Functional decor principles: keep it simple and uncluttered. Stick to neutral color schemes with soft, earthy undertones. Choose a few large statement pieces rather than many small ones. Embrace negative space. Don't fill every wall or shelf. Balance old and new. Mix antiques finds, old window frames, or that crafters with newer furniture. Don't overtheme. Just a few genuine vintage touches make it feel real. Function as decor. Use usable objects as decor. Cutting boards, rolling pins, and ceramic pictures. Display baskets, jars, and textiles you actually use. Room by room decorating ideas. Living room, sofa. Go for a neutral, sleep-covered couch. Linen, cotton, or canvas. Coffee table, a chunky wood peach with sign of air. Walls, hang vintage farm sign. Architectural shelves like shutters or old doors, or framed botanical prints. Floors, jute or old rugs layered with smaller patterned rugs. Accent chairs, try leather clubs chair or whitewashed leather-back chairs with gingham cushions. Extras, baskets for throws, reclaimed outside tables, and galvanized lanterns. Dining room, use farmhouse tables. The centerpiece, long oak, preferably with visible grain. Chairs, mix and match vintage styles or use a bench on site. Lighting, install a metal or wood candlelight. Try candlebulb styles. Centerpiece, messengers with wildflowers, a long wooden tray with candles, or a bowl filled with seasonal fruit or pine cones. Walls, hang cutting boards, baskets, or iron wall racks with platters. Kitchen, open shelves, display white or cream dishware, mixing bowls and messengers. Backglass, classic white support tile or baseboard paneling, hardware, black iron or rubbed bronze bowls, and knobs. Decor accents, wooden spoon on a crock, hanging herbs on a garlic plate, framed market or bakery sign, counter taker, vintage skill, battered dish, and enamel container. Window treatment, simple cafe curtain or light linen shades. Bedroom, bed frame, old iron or rustic oak with visible texture. Bedding, neutral quilts, ticking stripes, cushion blankets. Nightstands, use mismatched antique dressers or crafters. Decor, vintage alarm clock, iron sconces lighting, framed solati art or old family photos. Cotton stems or eucalyptus in glass vases. Bathrooms, sink vanity, repurposed, an old dresser with a vessel sinks. Mirrors, oval or rectangle with old or iron frames. Living. Floating burnt wood shelves with shawl towels, candles, and glass jars. Accessories. Wire baskets for hand towels, massengers for cotton balls, and Q-tips. Winter scent like wash or soap. They are your texture, not just fabrics. Rustic charm comes from a mix of textures, wood plus linen plus metal plus greenery. All in one space creates depth. Use chippy painted wood, raw oven baskets, and natural cotton thread together. Contrast smooth ceramics with rough jute or burlap for visual richness. Use imperfection as design. Rustic farmhouse trips on imperfection. A nick in the wood, a bright edged or a rust handle tells a story. Don't oversight or overly refinish pieces. You want them to feel owned with love, not must product. Decorate with sentiment, not just a style. Farmhouse should feel personal, framed and old family recipe, or wedding photo, and a quote passed down from a grandparent. Display vintage books or tools from your childhood homes. These details warm a space far from than anything but new. Anchor your room with aged soul items. Every room needs at least one legacy items, an old steamer trunk, pie safe or chili cabinet. Use a salvaged barn door turned into a headboard or wall decor. An antique bread box, washboard or apothecary cabinet. They give your space a rooted historical vibe. DIY decor projects that fit the theme. Some simple, budget-friendly ideas. Stain a wooden crate for a rustic storage bin or side table. Distress a picture frame with chalk paint and sandpaper. Use old messenger leads, a coaster or mini frames. Decorate seasonally. Farmhouse style. Add seasonal touches that still feel rustic. Fall pumpkins, wheat bundles, flannel blankets, winter evergreen clippings, peach logs, buffalo chick. Spring. Use lavender, vintage watering cans, and soft florals. Summer. Use lemon decor, linen table runners, and baskets of herbs. Stick with muted or tones to keep the vintage feel. Use furniture creatively. Give common items new life. Old ladder. Equal blanket cycle light picture. Vintage craft. Equal wall-mounted shelf or bedside table. Bicep. Equal linen cabinet or open pantry. Barn door. Equal headboard or wall art. Mix from and function. The more useful is it, the more authentic it feels. Rustic wall decor ideas. Oversized wall clocks with Roman materials, antique mirrors with wood or metal frames. Use font saying or a scripture sign with hand-lettered typography. Use gallery wall of vintage portraits, botanical prints or blueprint drawings. Open shelving with corbels or brackets, styled on old dishes, mugs or tools. Rustic greenery fogs are real. Natural touches finish the look. Eucalyptus, olive branches, cotton stems with bundles and lavender. Display in iron stone features, stone crocks or messengers. Sharp garland over mantels, windows or door frames for softness. Light your space like a storybook. Use warm Edison bulb, avoid cool, white LEDs. Go for open case features, lantern lights and messenger pendants. Add layers, sconces, floor lamps, candlelight, fairy lights and glass jars. Incorporate architectural salvage pieces. Use salvaged material to add instant rustic authenticity. Old corbels for shelves, brackets, or door frames. Use vintage shutters as wall decor or headboards. Antique windows or doors leaned against wall or mounted. Repurpose metal grates, frames, posts, or ceiling stems into art. Look for this at the salvage yards, flower markets, or architectural reuse stores. Use handmade or heirloom craft. Add handmade charm, display hand-sewn quilts, crocheted runners, or embroidered linens. Frame cross-stitch samplers or window swing notions. Use hand-drawn pottery or ceramic mugs with visible gallows versions. These little handmade touches add soul and ace to the space. Craft a rustic open shelf look. Style open shelving intentionally. Mix ceramics, books, candles, and greenery. Layer objects, stack bowls on books, or place a candlestick in front of a frame. Use repetition. Line up 3 or 5 messengers, pictures, or plates for symmetry. Keep shelves 60% functional or 40% decorative to avoid clutter. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.